You think broadcasting every move is power? Low status thinking. The most dangerous human beings operate in total silence.
Stop seeking applause from people who don't matter. The crowd is a distraction. Privacy is protection. It's time you learn to use it.
Psychology proves familiarity breeds contempt. By oversharing, you hand others ammunition to attack your narrative.
True power isn't access. Power is control of access. If they can't find you, they can't influence you. They cannot stop you.
Look closely at those who boast loudly. The desperate need for validation is the single clearest symptom of low internal intelligence.
Instead of chasing likes, master your focus. Rebuilding in secret allows you to forge unbreakable discipline, far from the distraction of public judgment.
When the world finally sees you again, they will see a finished product, a monolith they cannot break.
This is not about hiding in fear. This is about forging your legacy without interference. Rebuild yourself, on your terms, in total darkness.
If you were always reachable, your value was always cheap. Strategic absence increases gravity. Step back and watch them wonder. Build your mental fortress, master a skill, rebuild your finances, fix your health, all in dark silence. Let your return be the only noise. They want to know why you suddenly have presence. They want your secret, but they are too loud to receive it. Let them search.
Phase 1, ghost the noise. Phase 2, master the shadows. Phase 3, command the light. This is your new blueprint.
Using silence to build value is the ultimate axis of high operational intelligence. It's dark, it's effective, and it's unbothered.
The world is waiting to celebrate your final transformation. Why make them wait? Disappear, then conquer.
We are Life Logic.
Subscribe to master the psychology of personal power. Stay silent and let your results scream.